All right, we're getting going. So we are Team 12, the EMBA 550 Marketing, and we thought long and hard about the different topics, different companies, different brands that we could do our value analysis project on. And come May, we're all going to be headed to Moab, and we thought, man, this will be great because not everybody has been there. And Moab is such a cool place, and we know many people that have a deep love and affinity for Moab, so we thought we'd jump in and get a better feel for Moab. So what we're going to go through is why Moab, why is it so cool? Why do people love going there? Talk about the love group, different segments, initial HVM map, deep metaphors and other metaphors. Why Moab? Moab is truly a mecca for not only Utahns, but for tourists and travelers of all ages. It is a known destination spot worldwide, and it has only grown in popularity over the last 10 years, becoming more and more sought after. So within Moab, you got several national parks. You got Arches, Canyonlands, Needles District, Dead Horse Point. And we wanted to find out more what makes a Moab. What draws people to it? What benefits do people gain? And what do these people value most about Moab? The love group that we sought were typically outdoor enthusiasts, tourists and sightseers, and then those that love to rock climb, mountain bikers, trail runners, jeepers, hikers, canyoneers. We did focus on mountain biking, and those that we interviewed are those that have spent significant time mountain biking in Moab, multiple trips, typically multiple trips on an annual basis, and talked about the travel, the road trip to Moab, actually mountain biking on the trails in Moab, and then just the town of Moab, the vibe, the culture, the restaurants. These candidates, they were all, again, like I mentioned a moment ago, they've been there on a frequent basis, and then we did bring in the laddering approach into our map. So this is what we put together, broke it down into the personal values, personal benefits, and product features. The three things that we're focusing on in our initial HVM map is accomplishment, belonging, and peace are the personal values. Accomplishment is the personal value we're going to focus on first. The benefit of this is that they felt they went through, our interviewees went through a physical and mental exertion, a challenge, a focus, felt pain, felt agony. They were pushed to their limit and had their confidence built, an increase in self-confidence. The product benefit of accomplishment in Moab is the unpredictable situations, the new experiences, and certain features were the technical terrain. It was rocky, it was rugged. The second value is belonging. Going to Moab was typically done with a central or core group of individuals that they went together. So it was a reunion of sort, people coming from different locations and meeting together in Moab to do and go mountain biking. These experiences were shared, great memories were made, and they all would love to do this because they have a passion for mountain biking. The benefit is it brings people together with this common interest, this common love, and provides this really sweet and unique opportunity for connection. Some of the features that helps create this sense is the restaurants, the quaintness of, and the small town feel of Moab. You got one main street, and yeah, it's quaint is an awesome word for it, because it really is a cool place. Peace. When you're out there, you just feel rejuvenated out on the red rocks, seeing the beautiful landscape, the mountains, the dirt, the trees. It is incredibly unique. You feel carefree. Feels like you're in a refuge, alone with nature, just able to escape and get away. It's quiet. Get a great sense of solitude and this quality of experience that these mountain bikers said can only be found in Moab. And I already mentioned scenery as a feature, but the number and variety of trails is second to none, and you're removed from civilization. Metaphors that were used by our interviewees. These are some deep metaphors. The pleasure, pain. Undergo this pain and agony, not only physical, but mental during the ride. And at some point, it might be after it's all done, that pain and agony turns to enjoyment, fulfillment, the connection, able to find your true self out on the trail, because sometimes you are all alone. You are, reaching your wit's end, not sure if you can continue on or not. And just that connection with nature, with other individuals, and with yourself. And then the transformation, going from a structured, rigid, everyday life to another realm. You're just able to get away. And the physical was Moab has this smell of sweat, the feel and taste of dust and sand, and the sounds of chains rattling, of pedals going, of people breathing hard and deep. Other metaphors that were commonly used by our interviewees is Moab's like a playground. Moab is a second home to me. Moab's like going to a whole nother world. Moab is Mecca. And Moab is like sandpaper. That rock, the way it grips your tires, and the way that it appears and the way it does, it's just such an incredible experience to go mountain biking there. Another metaphor, I hear the sun speaking, just soak me in and leave all your worries behind. The sun is beating down, it's the rocks, the red dirt is soaking in the sun, and you're just hearing the sun saying to you as well, hey, soak me in. And then last but not least, Moab makes me feel like Superman. So Superman, you may not all know this, but Superman, where he comes from, they are recharged by the sun. And going there, especially if you're from Idaho or wherever it's cold and it has been a long winter, it has been cold, to go there and just feel that sunshine, feel it soak into your skin, you will feel recharged, you will feel renewed when it is time for you to go. And this has been awesome. Really enjoyed what we've been able to learn so far, and really looking forward to the finished product and the finished project for this. This is Team 12, over and out.